everyone, Peppermint here. This video is a follow-up from all of my bean videos with the Canning 101 series. That is what I'm starting out with, is beans. And I've done several bean videos and they are all similarly the same. So, weighted gauge. This video is about altitude, and I'm talking about a weighted gauge in this video, and I will have another video that is linked probably up here somewhere where you can click on it and it'll take you to a dial gauge weight when you have a dial gauge. So the regulator looks like this. Okay, this is the regulator. Yes, it is the weight, otherwise known as the weight. And it comes apart. This right here is 15 psi, pressures per square inch. And if you take off the top layer, you now have 10 psi. If you take that one off, you will have 5 psi. For beans, you will be either using a 10 or a 15, according to your altitude. So how do you find out what your altitude is? Well, you look it up online. You go online and you look it up according to your address, and it will tell you what your altitude is. Altitude is how many feet above sea level you are, or below sea level you are. And that is what is called altitude. For beans, if you are canning 1,000 feet or below, you will be using 10 pounds psi on your canner. It will start to rock, and you try to keep it at a slow pace. Do not let it stop. If you let it stop, you have to start your processing time over again, and that might not be very fun. And your beans may not be quite as firm because you'll have more time in there. If you are above 1,000 feet or above, then this is what you would have. You would have all of it on there. You would have 15 psi that you would be using.